Supreme Court cases have always had impactful repercussions, but this term might be even more consequential as the top court is set to define President Donald Trump's scope of power. Here's what we know now.
President Trump has been really testing the boundaries of what a president can do, and we've seen the Supreme Court rule in his favor most of the time on a temporary basis. They've said that the policies that have been challenged in court, many of them can proceed while the challenges are going on, but they haven't gotten to the underlying issue of whether the policies are illegal.
What are some key cases?
One of the big cases where they will do that is a challenge to the president's tariffs. He's the first president to use a particular law he says gives him authority to impose worldwide tariffs in an emergency, and he says the nation's trade deficit qualifies as an emergency. We're also going to see the Supreme Court take a close look at Trump's attempt to take over agencies that Congress wanted to have a degree of independence. Congress wanted them to be free of politics to some extent. And so there were limits on what presidents can do to remove the leaders of those agencies.
How might the court rule?
There's an expectation that the court, which has so far largely sided with the president on a temporary basis, that they will not do that. They will not continue to side with him on all the cases that are now going to be fully considered. They will probably not side with the president on the issue of birthright citizenship, which the court has not yet agreed to hear, but is expected to agree to hear.